literally, this is how fat I was. Welcome to the stream, ARP Gamer. This is my transformation, how I changed after going to gym. And इससे ज़्यादा bulky हूँ मैं with muscle mass, but this was when I was shredding. Why am I tagged myself here? This is like such a huge difference when I was like freaking fat and when I changed. This is when I was gaining mass and shit. This made a huge difference for me in my life, in my overall like confidence in everything. Bro, before I used to be so fucking shy wearing a t-shirt. Like I used to if I wear my t-shirt now, there'll be like man boobs and shit. Like imagine how embarrassing is that. And I used to like roam around with that by full fat, like kuch nahi, pura like every day eat biryani, 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 like every day literally biryani. And then the confidence and the boost I've gotten after it's changing, no, like the amount of confidence you get, bro. Holy shit, that was huge. Holy shit, that was huge. That changed my life altogether. The way I spoke, the way I walked, the way I presented myself to others. Holy shit, that was literally, everything for me. That moment of joy was everything. I'm talking about your weight, madman. When you didn't had face cam on stream at that time, where you 120 kg, this was देखो 2017. This is during my college days. भाई मैं कैसे खाता था पता है मेरा diet when I was fat. When I wake up during college time, 12 o'clock होता है सीधा बिरयानी 12 o'clock. ठीक है. इसके बाद 3 बजे और एक बार भूख लगता है बिरयानी. इसके बाद सीधा 6 बजे भूख लगता है बिरयानी. 3 बार I used to have biryani in a single day. And look how this fucking mobile is in front of my body, bro. Fucking huge as shit. Now I'm like ripped and like, I mean, my gaining season thoda sa tummy hai, but fine. But back then, bro, holy shit, no. Holy shit, no way. Amount of weight I was carrying, that was crazy. Guys, it's all about motivation. Like, it's all about, you know, the first month of when I was fat, इसके बाद मैं diet चालू किया. दूसरा मैंने ही diet चालू किया because it failed. I couldn't stop eating biryani. Like it was an addiction to me or some shit. और इसके बाद और एक बार diet किया failed. जिम जाने के लिए कोशिश किया body pain था failed. पूरा एक साल I was struggling like this. I used to come home and cry कि why this is not happening. Then I had two of my best friends in college who motivated me when I was in Pune. Literally, they motivated me to do it because they had like बहुत बढ़िया बॉडी था वो लोग के पास. देख के मेरे को भी शर्म आया भाई क्या हूँ मैं. लाइक लिटरली व्हाई एम आई सो फैट. लाइक कुछ डाइट चालू कर रहा हूँ फेल हो रहा है और जिम जा रहा हूँ फेल हो रहा है. आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट फिर भी फेल हो रहा है. आई यूज टू लाइक लिटरली गो बैक होम और आई यूज टू क्राई बिकॉज मेरा डाइट का खाना नहीं हो पा रहा था ब्रो. लिटरली मैं जो डाइट खाना खा रहा हूँ ना, it was literally 2% of the entire meal I used to have. तो इतना भूख लगता था उस भूख में. I used to cry at night कि I'm not able to sleep. This is one of the major problems in today's world, bhai. I'm telling you all. One of the biggest problem in today's world is being fat. And people do not, they tease you, they do everything like, to undermine you. Your confidence becomes so less when you're fat. Because why? Because सारे लोग मोटू मोटू बुलाएंगे. And they used to like mock you whenever they have the chance. Like silent mock you also. There's a thing called silent mocking. ज्यादा कर रहे हो तो उसको भी टीज करेंगे ना लोग. तो your confidence level literally goes down and down and down and down. घर पे आएगा वो लोग भी बोलेंगे कि उतना खा रहे हो ये वो. So your confidence booster goes low, 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 and a point of time you're shattered, you're broken down. There's no confidence in you at all. Confidence तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. तो क्या करो? You hit rock bottom भाई. You hit rock bottom. Obviously इतना मोटा रहेगा तो भाई you won't be, like nobody's gonna look at you, bro. In college life though, like it's all about like being all good and like being good, like dating and stuff and all that. Holy shit, I broke that barrier somehow. I literally broke that barrier, and now I'm in a better place. To those of you who are all struggling with this issue, why you can do it. You can do it. You can literally do it. अगर मैंने किया तो you can do it as well. Beginning में tough रहेगा, but I'm telling you all, you can do it. You can all do it. I'm 100% sure. No matter what, वो vision कर लेना कि this is where my body is gonna reach from this to that. That vision is gonna help you all, bro. Prasanna biryani is the key. Mohiddin biryani, OP, Ashwin, Wanga, Wanga. What's your favorite biryani joint in Chennai? Chennai